Whether you're a creator or just creative and you've ever thought about starting your own merch shop or selling your own merch, this is a video for you.
Welcome, it's Denson Doodle, and today we're going to be unboxing our products. If you guys don't know, we have a storefront.
And we've always had ideas of what we wanted our merch to be, and we always wanted merch for ourselves. So we were inspired by our 5 YouTube channels. This is our main channel, or what we refer to as the main, which is Dad and Son Doodle. Be sure to check our channel page for the other channels. But we created these designs and then loaded them into our Spreadshirt shop. So we work with them because they are a YouTube partner shop, and it was flawless.
These are the hats. I got the one in the black. Dad got the one in the blue, I'm pretty sure. And then Dad got this 86K Dad and Son Stranger Things inspo hat also. And then next we have the stickers, which I got in Satisfying Peel. You know, I love those. Kinda was a fail, but we ended up getting it done. I got the Dad and Son sticker and the Pizza Friday sticker, so pretty cool.
Now, one of the main reasons we did our own orders, not only do we want our own merch, but we wanted to test out how the shipping, how the printing, and how everything worked.
And then next we have the bandanas for Remus. We got this Efron bandana. Efron didn't find out for Remus. And then we also got him this Dad and Son Do It All one, which is pretty cool.
You can also see the range of products that are available. Like Son pointed out, we got these for their dog. Now this is a sweatshirt for Mama. Dad got a zip-up hoodie. There's brands, there's all sorts of stuff that range, and you can put several different logos out there, or whatever creative ideas come to you to be able to print.
These are the hoodies, shirts, and etc., stuff like that.
Make sure you stick around to the end to see them all displayed and laid out. I will tell you, we were really happy with how well these turned out. All the pieces, they came out great. However, you can see that there are some print differences depending on the material you're working with. So keep that in mind whenever you're making your designs, or if you're ordering something from ours or anybody else's shop. The other thing I will point out, when you see all this merch laid out, it's amazing that they got everything in this box to fit, and nothing was damaged or crumpled or anything. So hats off to them for Tetrising this box so solidly. Let us know in the comments below if you like any of the logos, or if you've ever thought about starting your own merch shop. We'd also love to hear if you guys would like us to show you how you set it up, how you load the logos, how you get everything built in the Spreadshirt shop. Another great option that's afforded to you within the Spreadshirt buying process is you can adjust the size of the logos on whatever you're purchasing. Great example here is this shirt is a shirt that Mama purchased, and this logo could have been darn near the whole front of the shirt. She wanted it this size, so we were able to shrink it down. Same thing on our hats. You can make it smaller, you can move it to the side, you can make it in the center. So I use, for example, on my zip-up hoodie, I made sure it was on the back because that's where I wanted the logo. I could have had it on the front. So you have so many different options available to you. We cannot speak highly enough of working with Spreadshirt so far. So we hope you pick one up and start your own.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Take care. Have a great day. Peace, and hope you have a great day, and bye.